Starting at Van Persie. Wow. And Marcelo in the same pack. Bit not rare, which is a bit stupid. 100k left. Is that 93 pace? 90 pace for the right back. Wow. Who's that? That is DD. Pace. Percy and Ronnie, which is good so far. And Mascherano and Di Maria in the exact same pack. Wow, that was cool. Well, that was a good pack. How much left? 76,000. No idea. Centre forward to Cam. And that Saxon ball again. Pepe doesn't go for anything. It's a bit stupid. And that centre forward's got a lot. Oh, I know him. He was a good player. Keep him. And I'll keep Pepe as well. 63,000 left. Come on, Falcao. Wait, is that Falcao? No, I don't know who that is. Who's that? I don't know who that is. Can't really see. Keep that. Don't know what this is. Don't know how much it goes for, but oh well. PSG kit store. Is that Falcao? Yeah, I think so. Oh, Falcao and Messi on the same thing. 49,000 left. Well, it will be 50,000. And Jafet, can't remember how to pronounce that. And 2,000 coins and a free goal pack. I will save it up for the end. That is new Barcelona guy. And him again. No. Clicks out the rest.